Let's answer some of your questions now. Pete, the first one's for you. Vincenzo in Florida. What's the future for Newell Brands? What do you think?
Well, everybody seems to want to jump on this one, Scott, because of the fact that they've got a 5% dividend. Part of the reason they have a 5% dividend is because of the fact of where this stock came from and where it is now. They are a very leveraged company. I didn't really like what they forecast recently in the earnings, so for that reason, I probably wouldn't touch this name. But I do understand why so many people are looking at it, because this was a $50+ stock not too many years ago. Here it is trading, in the 15. So I can understand why people are interested. It's just not for me.
Okay, Pete, thank you, and thanks for being here today.
Yep.
We'll see you soon. Vincenzo, thanks for the question
Thank
as well.
you, brother.
All right, Sarat, for you. John in Kansas. FedEx down 25% since last October. What do you do now?
I don't think you buy it. I think Amazon is really trying to get into the space. If you saw a couple of weeks ago, they took some business away from XPO. I think Amazon's really going to get competitive with price pressure on FedEx and UPS, so I wouldn't buy them at this level.
All right, Ronnie, for you. John in Raleigh, North Carolina. John, thanks for the question. What do you think of small caps right now? I mean, if you want to make a bullish case, a bearish case on where the market is, you say, well, small caps have been underperforming and transports have been underperforming. So what do you do
after
now?
Having outperformed.
As they usually do on the way up and on the way down. So what now?
Quality. I mean, I think given the leverage that you see in the system and the fact that the Russell 2000 is up more than 16% so far this year, I think you become more discerning, and you don't necessarily buy the basket. You find smaller companies with strong balance sheets that have continued growth.
Okay, appreciate the question there. And Ron in San Diego has one for Lindsay. How does the energy sector look? This person's long XLE calls. It would seem that if there is a trade deal, you get a pop. What do you think?
I'm with Pete. I like energy. We're overweight the sector. It's all about the oil prices. And with Iran and Venezuela sanctions in place, potentially China bottoming, OPEC keeping their cuts in place is all good here.